Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here to be made as pretty big pullback on the chart. So first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that is exactly what played out here. So, I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook if you wanted to. But on the opening 30 minutes, you can see that level failed. And then when the price tried to bounce back upwards, you can see right there, literally went right into acting as resistance. So I'm not saying that 97 cents can never, ever be broken again. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle right there. And now going forward, that'll be the first key level where if there is any sort of chance of, getting back up above $1 and then, even up above, the $1.10 mark, that 97 cent mark is certainly public enemy number one. So I'll also just extend this level out so that we can continue to track it as the week plays out. So that'll be the level of resistance to watch. Now, as far as areas of support, the big level that everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching is down here, the pink line, which on my chart represents the very well-known, the very famous 200-period moving average. I mean, even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, then assuming you're long, then yes, ideally speaking, you want to see the price hold up above it, and currently that value is at 80 cents. The good news is it's not like the price is anywhere close to that area, but nonetheless, that would still be the general level of support going forward. The other bit of good news, it's only Monday, so the week is still very young. Still 4 days left to see if the price can try to get things turned around. But again, if it does, 97 cents is that first key level that'll need to be broken. So let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.